Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Air, and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures and the other way around. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find features. Let's tap on it. Then tap on the system navigation at the top, and as you can see here we've got two different options. So let me begin with the virtual navigation. If you've got the gestures and if you wish to use the 3-button navigation, simply tap on this first option, and as you can see our device will immediately apply 3 buttons. We can also tap on this settings icon, and here we can reorder the back button and the recents, so it's up to you how you wish to display them. You can also decide whether you'd like to always show navigation bar or sometimes hide it just by tapping on this arrow right here. As you can see, we've got an additional option, and here we've got also circle to search. If you've got the 3-button navigation and you'd like to set the gestures, simply tap on the second option, and our device will immediately hide the 3-button navigation. We can also tap on this the settings icon, and here we've got more options to customize. So first of all, the Google Gemini. We can also avoid misoperation by swipe gesture. We can display bottom indicator because usually instead of the 3 buttons, we will have this line which is responsible for some gestures. However, we can hide it just by tapping on the switcher. It's completely up to you. Here, circle to search and back sensitivity for left and right edge. And to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures. So you will be able to decide whether you need the sensitivity to be higher or lower. It depends on, for example, whether you're using case or not. All right, so because the 3-button navigation is quite easy to understand how it works, I'd like to show you how to use the gestures. So if you wish to get back directly to the, not directly to the home page, but to the previous page, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center. If you can see this arrow, you can release the finger, and the same situation from the right side. Here you've got also demos, so you can check demos or animations, you can check how it works. So as I said, the same from the right side. If you wish to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center and make sure that this motion is quick and short. So something like that. And here we've got it. And if you wish to open the recents, so the section which you can enter just by tapping on the square icon, you have to swipe your finger from the bottom to the center again. So kind of repeat the previous gesture, but hold your finger somewhere here, so elongate this gesture. Something like that. And after releasing, here we've got the recents. Moreover, if we've got more than one application opened, we can swipe between the apps just by swiping at the very bottom from the left to right or from the right to the left, which is quite cool because it's a convenient way to quickly change between the apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.